the land. Now, before we begin, just a few gentle reminders, right? First of all, those of you who have food with you, please keep them in your bag because our animals, they will be attracted to your food and they will sit down next to you eating your food. Okay? Last but not least, right after the show, when you are leaving the amphitheatre, please do it in an orderly manner. Can we do that? Alright, now with that said, I've got one last question. Is everyone ready for the show? The rainforest from all around the world! Alright now, first off, we are going to South America. We are going to Colombia and meet two of the smallest species of primates that we have right here. I'm talking about our cotton-top tamarine. There you go. Can you see them? Yes, I know they are small. Alright, we have two of them. This is Juan Rico and Juan Esteban. You buy one, you get another one. But the reason being is that when they give birth, they always come in twins. Okay? Now, I'm sure you will know why they are called cotton-top tamarines because of that cotton-like head that they have. Now, they can be cute. They can be adorable, but they can also be very feisty. They have been seen fighting against primates which are larger than them. Okay? Now, they are not the smallest species of primate that we have in the zoo. The smallest is still the marmoset. And a full-grown marmoset would weigh a whopping 500 grams. Okay? Everybody say bye-bye Rico, bye-bye Esteban. Alright, now from South America, let's go all the way to Africa. Let's go to the islands of Madagascar. Now some of you may have seen him in that same show called Madagascar. I'm sure you remember the cartoon Madagascar, right? And he likes to go like this. There you go, ladies and gentlemen, that is the ring-tailed lemur. Now, ring-tailed lemurs, they are usually very sociable animals. When they move on the ground, you would notice that their tail is high up in the air to make sure that the whole group stays in place. Now, this is the part where you have to keep your food because our animals will be very up close and personal. And if they are very close to you, please try not to reach out and touch them, alright? They don't know you, you don't know them, and you don't want to know what they can do to you. Alright? Coming down also joining us, this is BB. Now, we are going to show you how agile they can be, jumping from one spot to another. There you go. Now, we are also going to show you what they will do to prepare themselves before a sting fight. Now, what is a sting fight? I will explain to you in a bit, okay? There you go. Now, focus your attention to BB right here. Now, this is what they will do to prepare themselves before a sting fight. They would rub their tail against the sand glands on their wrist. You saw that? Again, let's try it one more time with SB. And you're gonna rub their tail against the sand glands on their wrist, just like that. See that? Because the sand glands are located on their wrist. Now, after they have done that, that's where the sting fight comes in. They will swing their tail against the other male, just like for fighting. And eventually, one of the male will back off and run away, depending on how stinky that tail is. That is called a steam fight, alright? Everybody say bye-bye, Leslie. Bye-bye, baby. Alright, now from Africa, from Africa, let's come down closer. Let's come down to Southeast Asia. You are going to go to the river shores of Asia and meet our Asian small-clawed otters, the smallest species of otters in the world. And right now we have Reef, together with Joy, and he is going to help us to recycle the plastic bottle. There you go, another plastic bottle. The tin cans, and we have one more tin can. Let's see if we can find them. There you go, ladies and gentlemen, once again, this is with our Asian small-clawed otter, the smallest species of otters in the world, together with his trainer Joy. Now you can find otters in Asia. Now you can also find otters right here in Singapore. I'm sure some of you may have seen otters in Singapore, right? But, do not be mistaken. The otters that you see right here in Singapore are not of the same species than the ones we have. They are slightly larger than the ones we have right here. Alright? Okay, now from the river shores of Asia, let's go to the airways of Africa and meet my next friend. Very sweet, very silent, and also very agile in the air. We're talking about our trumpeter Hornbill. Can you see him? There you go, there he is. Now, although they are called trumpeter hornbills, they do not play the trumpet. It's just that the sound that they make might sound like a trumpet. Actually, they sound more like a baby's cry. Okay? Now we are going to give you a few flights before we show you how agile they can be in the air. Now, as he flies across, watch and listen closely how swift and how silent they can be. Shadi! His name is Shadi, by the way. Yeah. There we go. Now usually, the male is slightly larger than the female. And if you do notice the cast over their bill. Now that cast, the larger they are, the more attractive they would be to the opposite sex, alright? I'm going to give you one more flight before we show you how agile they can be. Now what I've got here with me is a grape. What's going to happen is that the sauce is going high up into the air and we're going to get Shadi to catch the grape, alright? There you go. Hold on. Okay, let him finish this one first. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4! Isn't it fantastic? Now that's how agile they can be in the air. That is how they would just swoop down to catch even the flying insects on the go. Alright, that was cool, but let's slow things down a little bit right here. Okay? Now, my next friend has a pretty nasty reputation. Some people even call them evil. And they strike with no warning at all. They even give out this loud hissing sound. What I'm talking about? Snakes. Now snakes love cool and dark places, such as underneath the seat. Now, ball pythons can be found in Africa. And the reason why they are called ball pythons is because when they are scared, they would coil themselves into the shape of a ball. Now, they are also known as the royal pythons because in ancient days, Queen Cleopatra uses them on her neck or even her wrist as an accessory. How cool is that, right, ladies? Now, many people have this misconception that snakes are wet and slimy because of that glossy shine on their skin. Well, they are not, alright? They are actually smooth and dry. When you have a chance to go down to our reptile garden, like I told here, and if you do see a keeper holding on to a snake, you can approach them, have a feel of the snake, and you will know they are actually smooth and dry. Okay? Alright. Enough of the snakes. Let's meet our next friend. They are usually very shy creatures. Yes, I'm talking about our hawk badger. There's two of them. That's John and Marshall. Now, hawk badger can be mainly found in Thailand, in India, and also Indochina. Well, ladies and gentlemen, if you're taking pictures, this is the best time for you to take pictures because this is the only time you get to see them out in the open and out during the day. Usually, they will come out at night to look for food. So this is something different for them. There you go. That's Marshall and you see, they will shy away and hide. Alright, now that was interesting, but it's time to get serious. Now you have seen our lemurs, you have seen our badgers, and you have seen the snake right here in the show. But unfortunately, their friends are fighting a losing battle in the wild. Why? You may ask, right? Well, it's because of us men. Men causes pollution, men causes deforestation, and their friends are losing their homes as we speak, right? Now the question right here is, do you want to be part of the problem or part of the solution? You think about it. with you right here today. Now we have all come to love the animals that you see right here in the show. But what if I tell you that their friends are fighting a losing battle in the wild because of us men? What if I tell you that tens and thousands of them have been captured or even killed to be used as pets, fashion goods, unproven medicine? Now many people have failed to realize that when the buying stops, the killing will stop too. So it's time for us to stand up for these animals. It's time for us to bring these rainforests back to life. And with that, we have come to the end of Rainforest Fightsback. Well, we hope you have enjoyed the show, because you guys have been fantastic. Take care, have a good day, see you soon, and goodbye. Alright, now, our clothes will be making an appearance, so if they are very close to you, please try not to reach out and touch them, alright? With that, take care, bye-bye.
나 알아채 부푼이요. 알아다시 내시면